The ocean winds, invisible forces dancing across the sea surface, play a critical role in the planet's climate system. These winds drive ocean currents that regulate temperatures, affecting ecosystems from the surface down to the depths. For instance, the trade winds, consistent and predictable, guide sailors and weather patterns alike, while the more erratic westerlies influence storm formation. During storms, winds can generate gigantic waves, displaying nature's raw power as they crash against coastlines. Additionally, ocean winds contribute to the mesmerizing phenomenon of upwelling, bringing nutrient-rich waters to the surface, fostering vibrant marine life. Understanding these winds not only reveals the ocean's complex behavior, but also underscores their importance in the global climate.